Hi everyone, welcome back to Papa Pese channel. I'm Mama Pese and today I'm here to help you choose the best CPU cooler. Today we are testing a real monster, the Thermalright Stream Vision 360 in black. It's a 360mm AIO with a big LCD, triple high-speed fans and even a VRM fan. But can it actually beat one of Papa Pese's favorite air coolers, the Burst Assassin 120 that we had until not long ago? Stream Vision 360 Black uses 3 TL-H12X28 R7 fans rated up to 2400 RPM and 95 CFM each. It's powered by a 6400 RPM pump and topped with a 3.5-inch LCD display. Radiator length 403 millimeters.
The Burst Assassin 120, see the short proceed not so long ago, sticks to the basics. 6 heat pipes, 220mm fans and 1550 RPM max, and 0 RGB cables to tangle up. Simple, clean. And now let's do a quick unboxing of the AIO. Very well presented here with multiple CPU adapters, Intel and AMD. As you can see, very nice matte finish. For the price, Thermalright did a very good job once more. The Stream Vision looks great. That LCD is crisp and the extra VRM fan is a nice touch. But that pump block is heavy, so take your time mounting it. Meanwhile, the Burst Assassin 120 is light and super easy to install. If you hate extra wires, you'll appreciate it. So my system as usual, Ryzen 7 9700X, MSI Mag B850M motor Wi-Fi, 32GB of DDR5 CL30 at 6000 MT Expo enabled, and Windows 11 Pro. Let's not forget the graphics card, the RTX 5070 Ti, and the temperature is 29 degrees.
Actually 29.3, I checked.
ARM, Idle, Cinebench R23, single and multi-core. Blenders BMW CPU scene, small FFTs for 10 minutes, and for gaming Battlefield 2042 at Ultra 1440p for 15 minutes. Noise was measured at 30 centimeters, both stock and full speed.
And yes, I was the one holding the meter, so I confirm.
Here are the temperatures and noise results. These are example averages, but they're pretty close to what you'll see at 29 degrees ambient. At idle, it goes between 35 and 38 degrees Celsius, whether you are with the Stream Vision or the Burst Assassin. Cinebench R23 single core, 65 degrees to 69 degrees. Cinebench multi-core, 78 degrees, 88 degrees. Blender CPU, so the BMW scene, 81 degrees to 91 degrees. For Battlefield 2042, run during 15 minutes, between 69 and 74 degrees on average. Regarding the noise, so the stock curve first, between 30 and 36 decibels. For the fans at full speed, it goes between 38 and 44 decibels. The Stream Vision 360 clearly wins on heavy multi-core workloads like rendering and encoding. The Burst Assassin stays quieter but starts to heat up past 85 degrees under sustained load.
For gaming though, both do fine. You probably won't see more than a few degrees difference in real play.
The AIO has way more surface area, 360mm of radiator and 3 28 thick fans moving air. That gives a clear advantage in heat-soak tests. Plus, his VRM fan drops the motherboard temps by a few degrees.
The Burst Assassin responds faster to short spikes, so for quick workloads or gaming bursts, you won't feel a big difference.
At idle, both are quiet. Under load, the AIO spam hum is audible but not annoying.
And that LCD is fun. You can show CPU temps or a custom image. It really looks great in the build, and it's a tiny bit bigger than the one present with Burst Assassin.
For raw performance and style, the Stream Vision 360 is the winner.
But if you want a quieter, simple, and very budget-friendly setup, the Burst Assassin is still a great pick.
I'd recommend the 360 for anyone running a Ryzen 7 or i7 and above.
And I would recommend one that lets me listen to my YouTube videos while Papa PC is testing his PC components. Well, to be honest, I will always pick the one with the best performance.
Links for both coolers are in the description.
Tell us which one you would pick, AIO or air cooler, and why, in the comments.
Thanks for watching. You were on Papa PC channel.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.